Let's look at the Smartenup shortcuts. If you go to the Smartenup toolbar, you'll notice that the right-hand side has a section called Identity and Tools containing really time-saving shortcuts for you to use. Let's start with the formatting shortcuts. Here you'll find a full list. We'll only show you a couple which are really useful for you to use on a daily basis. Here you have a not neatly formatted data set, but with the help of the formatting shortcuts, you can easily with one click format, for example, numbers. Excel does not do a good job in formatting numbers, but actually Smartenup invented a tool for you to use, which is Control Q. Make sure that you put the shortcuts on. If you save Excel, next time you start Excel, they will be on, so you only have to do this once. So formatting numbers can be done with one click by hitting Control Q. You can keep on hitting Control Q to show 1 or 2 decimals. You can also apply euro and dollar signs by using Control Y or Control Shift Y. So if you want to do all these numbers at once and you want to give them euro signs, we'll just hit Control Y once. Percentages you can format with Control Shift Q, and also that is a cycle, so if you keep on hitting Control Shift Q, you can add 1 or 2 or 0 decimals. Some numbers are not aligned neatly. You can align text or cells actually or numbers by hitting Control Shift N. And this is a cycle, so it will align all cells left, center or right. At Smartenup, we like to center titles and align numbers to the right. You'll notice that actually the stores or the categories are not seen properly because the column width is too short. There's a shortcut to increase column width, which is Control Shift X, and you can have multiple settings. Hitting it 3 times actually will give you a good column width. You can actually unhide the grid lines with the shortcut Control Shift G to make the entire sheet look nice. You can apply borders with one click by hitting Control M. And you actually can control colors with one click. So this is the identity section of our toolbar. We've uploaded only a few colors into the toolbar now, but if you work for a large corporate that has a corporate identity, we're also happy to upload your corporate identity into the toolbar. For us, Control J gives us the color blue. Hitting Control J twice gives us a lighter shade of blue. So what we like to do is give the totals and the title the same color. And actually with a couple of clicks, you're almost done formatting this table. We also like to center a title across the full report. This can be easily done with Control Shift C. And finally, next to formatting tools or shortcuts, we invented some really time-saving tools. For example, one related to printing. If you hover on the icon, which is called Set Print Area, you notice that the shortcut is Control Shift P. Let's first look at Control P, which is the standard Excel shortcut for printing. Unfortunately, Excel is not very clever when it comes to printing. This page, for example, only containing a small report, Excel wants to print on 3 pages. If you want to print the report on 1 page only, just select whatever you want to print and hit Control Shift P, or you could have also just clicked on the button in your Smartenup toolbar. Finally, you notice an error, which is really annoying if you have a final report. We hope you know the if-error formula, which is part of our training. Adding the if-error formula can be done with one click with the help of the Smartenup toolbar. Either click on the error rep or the shortcut Control E. We hope you enjoy these shortcuts. They will save you a lot of time on a daily basis, so use them and enjoy.